Reputation is about what people think about you, but character is what you think about yourself. But there's so many times where I have been the only woman in the boardroom. And one day my boss pulled me aside. He said, "Why don't you speak up in the meetings? The guys in the room need to hear what you have to say. You have to be able to speak up in the room." And I thought to myself, he's right. That was the best feedback I ever got. That's when I knew I found my voice.